Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, let's look at Euro Yen. Just before that, there is definitely a teaching moment over here. And for my student, please check out the New Zealand dollar, the Australian dollar, and the dollar CAD because there is some really advanced trading setup, but I only commit to two of this kind of video analysis. And of course, if there is a trading setup, a valid setup, I will definitely send the trading ideas to your mailbox, so there's no need for you to worry about it. But for learning purposes, remember to check out the New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, and dollar CAD on the 3 time frame, the daily, 4 hour, and 1 hour time frame. All right, so let's get to business and have a look on Euro Yen. All right, so on the daily chart, what we see over here, retest of support, market came down. All right, it is not a double top by definition because of this long shadow over here. And definitely there is a pullback, but I wouldn't read it as a double top pullback. Depends on you. All right, so for our chart, this is what we have. We have a V bottom, okay, over here, and 1 hour chart. Okay, if you look left, the market has break and close above the high. Potentially, you can wait for another break and close above this high, depends on how this retracement goes, to see if it is a bullish trend in the making on a 1 hour chart. Right now, it's just a weaker back. So what you can do is scan this QR code that will bring you to our website, our student portal, where you can start sharing your trading ideas over here, your top process over here, and scroll down further. You can even access this trading for free. Okay, so there isn't any more resistance for you to do that. And if you love to receive these wonderful trading ideas in advance, which can help you in your top process in developing your trading ideas, or to decide if you agree with my personal trading ideas, drop me a note. We'll see if you're a good fit. One of the trades that you have missed if you're not in our community is that this head and shoulder formation, we engage aggressively, of course, after more than 15 years of testing on this strategy and using it. We have captured a total of 59 pips over, or 57 pips over here, which translate to $570 per standard contract traded. All right, so back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis, and just before that, I just want to remind you that I only have one live account, and that's Rain Lim in this social media platform. I think it's more than enough for you to connect with me. All right, so anyone else that use my profile picture and whatsoever and contact you, please reply and block them for your own safety and safety of your friends. All right, so back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here. So what we have over here is a bullish bad pattern with a warning sign because the C price touches the A price. Over here is something that I don't like, and if you know me, trading bad pattern, I'll require a retest. The retest didn't happen because we have a 3-bar reversal and a V bottom. So in case like this, in setup like this, that you miss it because you're conservative traders or you have been using it, well, just let it go, because you will not develop a perfect trading plans that can capture every move. Yes, you hear me right. You cannot develop a perfect one. You only can develop one that suits your trading style the best, and I think that is enough. That is good enough. So ideally, I'm waiting for a retest at 13406 and to hail in for a buying opportunity. But well, it makes more sense if a retest happened at 13502. I've set an alert as well on both level waiting for candlesticks close to decide the trade. And if you ask me, at the time when the candlestick closed, did you see this? The answer is yes. Why did I not engage it? Because it is 165 pips away from my preferred entry price. Okay, and with that, I have to include the stops and stuff like that. This will give me a very inverted result. All right, and this is why I want to use this as a trading purpose, because I think not every time with a trading setup that you can potentially profit from it will benefit you the most. Sometimes a case study like this that none of us hit losses, we kind of missed it, but we missed it for good reason, and this is something that worth for you to think about and to strategize your trading results, because everything in trading, just as life, is a trade-off. Think about it. Alright, and that's why I love trading. Yeah, so have a moment to think about this, and if you're really serious about trading, drop me a note. We'll see if you're a good fit before we accept you as a student. That's all I have for you right now. Till then, remember, always play and trade and keep them. Take care.